Because of the juice. Okay, Mr. Patrick Starrr. That is a very graphic and detailed explanation of your makeup wipes. The juice. Hey guys, it's Sierra and welcome back to my channel. Guys, it is late at night. It is 11:10 at night. Look at me and my beautiful family. Ow! And it's time to get this makeup off my face. I'm done. I'm over it. It's time to get it off my face. And peel! This is what we're gonna be using. The Patrick Starrr One Size Dissolving Mist and facial wipes. I am so excited for this. One, because I'm a huge Patrick Starrr supporter. Guys, Patrick Starr's artistry, he shuts it down. He shuts it down. He shuts it down. Oh my gosh, like, you let me know. If you don't know who Patrick Starrr is, I will leave his channel link down below. You go look at his channel and you let me know if he doesn't know what he's doing when it comes to makeup. Okay, enough of the rambling. Let's get right into the video. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back. Cue the transition. Okay, so we're gonna get into both products real quick. So I bought mine off of Sephora.com, but you can also buy it on onesizebeauty.com. I'll leave the link down below. This is the dissolving mist and it retails for $24. It has 115 mLs or 3.4 ounces in this component. The details are: go off in an epic way with this continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact while refreshing skin with good for you ingredients, a game changer for those heavy makeup days. The way that they're marketing these products are for full on beat down days, not for, you know, a nice little tinted moisturizer moment. These are for full blown beat down days, or that's what I'm gathering from the way that they're speaking about these products in both Sephora.com and off of One Size Beauty. The ingredients, it says it has calming jojoba oil, it has brightening rosehip oil, and then it has a full ingredient list that I'm not gonna go super into, but it does have fragrance in this product. It is cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, it's gluten-free, and it is vegan. Patrick Starr's words are, this super fine mist is super slick and no drip. When removing my makeup, the last thing I want to do is tug and pull on my face with wipes. This product allows my super size and extra plush wipes to glide and remove my makeup in one swipe, a must-have to my skin routine. Okay, it has 5 stars currently. And now we're gonna get into the wipes themselves. The wipes are $15. They come with 21 wipes. Okay. Go off bigger and better with these super sized and plush wipes that remove makeup with ease while soothing skin with juicy ingredients for that daily pick-me-up at home or on the go. Ingredients here are aloe, chamomile, fragrance notes of green tea, cucumber, and rose. So what we're gonna do is see what it does. Okay, it does not say that you have to shake it, but I shook it. Let's take our eyelashes off first. And let's spray our faces. It says spray 8 to 10 inches away from your face until it's evenly coated. Massage into skin and gently wipe off. I feel like it's gonna get messy. Here we go. Honestly, the fragrance, even though I don't like fragrance products, this fragrance is really not bad. And the mist, oh my gosh, the mist is lovely. I just want to see how good this is gonna get mascara off. That's really what I want to see. Guys, you know I'm not big on scents, but that scent is lovely. It is so lovely. I can't even explain what it smells like. It just smells like happiness and peace. Like, it smells really good. Okay, look at these wipes. Look how big these wipes are. Here we go. Okay, and this is all of my makeup on the wipe, and wow, there's no more makeup on my face. It's gone. Like, well, this is gonna be a quick one. Let me just give you my final thoughts real fast. I absolutely love this product, and I know it does have fragrance in it. The fragrance smells beautiful. It smells amazing. Would I buy this again? Yes, I would buy it again. Even though I don't like fragrance on my face, I would use this and then immediately wash my face anyway. I really like this product, guys. It does not mess with my asthma. The only thing that I can say negative about this product is that because I'm a contact wearer, it does leave a film on your contacts for sure. So if you are a contact wearer, what I would say is take your contacts out and then use this to take your makeup off if that is a concern of yours. As far as these wipes go, I think they worked beautifully. I think that they're humongous. They're lovely. But would I purchase this again? Probably not. And here's why. I think for the price point, for $15 for 21 of these wipes, I think it's just priced a little bit too high in order for me to buy it again. Now, if I could get multiple uses out of this, maybe, but who wants to do that? Now that I see it, it's like, I don't want to put this on my face tomorrow and try to do it again. Like, that just seems totally disgusting. What I would do is just go ahead and use regular makeup wipes. Go ahead and get Kirkland brand makeup wipes, 365 makeup wipes, and then still use this spray with it, and I think you'll get the same results personally. So that's my final wrap up, guys. Yes, it is Sierra approved. Both products work beautifully. Wow, Patrick. I didn't know that you could do a banger off of some dissolving mist. It's good. Hands down, it's good. And it didn't take much of that product to get everything off my face. And that is amazing. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back. I'm gonna take myself to bed. I hope you guys are keeping yourself safe. Peace! Peace out, guys.